Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to increase Discord stream quality. Well, today I'll be showing you how to increase your Discord stream quality. So right now, I'm gonna stream for you guys. I'm gonna stream this, my Chrome. There you go, it's streaming right now. And once you are here, just click on that and go right here. Click on here right below, and you will see a stream quality. Once you're in the stream quality, you can change your stream quality. You can either decrease it or increase it. For example, right here, 420 and 720. But if you want it to make it 60 FPS, you will have to pay Discord for that. But as you can see, I'll click on 60 FPS. There you go. Need to unlock a Discord Nitro so you can go higher quality on Discord. Right now, I'm going to show you how much is a Discord Nitro. So in the Philippines, this is the amount you need to spend, 263.99. So in dollars, I'm guess that is about roughly 10. Oh no, I meant $5. Yeah, $5. So there you go. That's how you increase your stream quality in Discord. I hope you guys will like the video and I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.